Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. Last week we talked all about what a courtesy check is, and this week we're comparing it to a Pennsylvania state inspection. They might sound similar, but they serve totally different purposes. A courtesy check keeps your car healthy, while a state inspection is a legal requirement that keeps it road safe and street legal. Now let's jump in and clear up the confusion. Courtesy check versus state inspection.
I hear people talk about courtesy checks and state inspections all the time. Are they the same thing?
Great question. And no, they are not the same. A courtesy check is a free preventative inspection, while a state inspection is required by Pennsylvania state law every 12 months. They serve two completely different purposes.
Okay, so what exactly happens during a courtesy check?
A courtesy check is basically a wellness visit for your car. It's free, it's quick, and it helps catch small problems before they turn into big, expensive ones. At Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we offer a free courtesy check that includes a check engine light scan, where we read the diagnostic codes and any other warning codes, fluid checks, which means transmission, engine oil, coolant, brakes, and power steering fluid, a battery test to make sure your battery starts strong even on the coldest of mornings, tire inspection for wear, leaks, and proper pressure. And we check belts, hoses, and any signs of leaks or damage. You'll get a simple vehicle health report showing what's in great shape and what might need a little attention soon.
Okay, so it's more of a maintenance check, but not something I'm required to do by law.
Exactly. A courtesy check isn't required. It's just a smart way to get ahead of repairs. It helps you prevent surprises like worn brakes, a weak battery, or low transmission fluid.
Got it. So what's the difference with a state inspection?
A state inspection is all about safety and legality. In Pennsylvania, every vehicle needs to pass one once a year to stay road legal. During Pennsylvania state inspections, we check tires, brakes, suspension, steering, lights, mirrors, windshields, wipers, seatbelts, safety systems, exhaust, and emissions. If your car passes, you'll get a new state inspection sticker that's good for a full year. If it doesn't, we'll go over exactly what it needs so we can pass it safely.
So a courtesy check is optional, but a state inspection is mandatory, right?
That's right. You can get a courtesy check anytime, but the state inspection must be done every 12 months by law. However, we do recommend getting a courtesy check to prevent any future problems and help keep you in the know. And guess what? It's free at Myles.
So can a courtesy check replace my state inspection?
No, but it's a great pre-inspection tool. Doing a courtesy check before your inspection can help you catch issues early so that there's no surprises when it's time for your sticker renewal.
Do all the Myles locations offer these two types of services?
Absolutely. All of our Berks County locations, Reading, Birdsboro, and Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing, perform both state inspections and free courtesy checks. A courtesy check usually takes under an hour, so you can relax in our waiting area while we have time to look over everything in your car.
That's super convenient. So the courtesy check keeps my car healthy and the state inspection keeps my car legal.
Exactly. The courtesy check gives you peace of mind between inspections, and the state inspections ensure that your car meets all the Pennsylvania safety and emissions standards. At Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we help you with both, keeping you safe, informed, and confident on the road.
Perfect. I think I'm going to schedule my courtesy check before my next state inspection. Thanks, Myles.
Sounds like a plan. We'll make sure that your car's ready for the road, quick, honest, safe, and done right.
Whether you're due for your state inspection or want a free courtesy check, visit Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. We have 4 locations in Berks County, PA, proudly serving Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Next week, make sure to stay tuned for another segment of Transmission Talks. At Myles, we don't just fix cars, we keep you confidently on the road. See you next week.